Hi there, welcome to the channel. Want to change your name or @username on Twitter? Here's how to do it in seconds, right from your phone. Let's start. How to change your name on Twitter. Open the Twitter X app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left. Tap Profile from the menu. Tap the Edit Profile button. Tap on your current name at the top. Type your new name. Tap Save in the top right. How to change your username on Twitter. Open the Twitter X app and log in. Tap your profile picture in the top left. Tap Settings and Support. Then choose Settings and Privacy. Tap Your Account. Then click on Account Information. Tap Username. Type your new @username, it must be available. Tap Done or Save to confirm. And that's it. You've just updated your Twitter name and username in a few easy steps. If this helped you out, give the video a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.